boy. This boy. Damn, man like that. What man like that, man? Hey.
Mama, come now. You don't do.
This 2 million. Oh man, I don't dare 3 hours. You don't bro. Make I touch this guy. Make I touch her. Make I touch her.
Wait.
Make I touch this guy.
Wait.
Make I touch her.
Wait.
Make I touch her.
Relax.
Mr. Joe, be calm, please. Be calm.
No, they do like this.
For 2 million.
Relax now. We don't say.
You know what this guy do me?
Wait.
We don't waste time here.
Now the number they call. Hello? Where you don't reach? I still there. They enter the street now. They enter the street. Wait, matter. See, where you there now? Okay, as you just enter the street, the second gate by your right. The second gate by your right, now there we go.
Make I don't.
Joe, can you be calm?
Wait, calm down. I think I wait. As him don't toss him, don't do around there. Look, they go my side. Relax now. Now, relax.
What did guy go wrong? This guy go wrong.
Joe, we there here. Come on, in for 2 million.
Come on,
you see the talk. Because we never bust your head. It's not
we might bring in clothes.
Bring in clothes.
Go on, that boy, yo. Hold up, boy, yo. Man, they me do.
Just wait. See what the thing is.
See this guy.
I think you don't already talk this thing now. As you don't talk him, leave him first. The person they do, make him come, make the other one now. This guy is maybe no problem. Now if when my line, now when you get the line, and I'm problem. But wait, you know your sister tell you about this money. But she tell you about it. Not be that way they talk. When they talk, they answer me like that. But what I know they play with you. If you come and I go settle now. And my course is how they play. Something worry you. And I know why they leave you. You know what I understand. I know why they leave you. Listen, don't carry up like you. Carry all your job.